Hello everyone! Today's video is about how to make a headband. Ayan. Heart-shaped headband. Ang cute naman ito, diba? Ayan! White and then red and then 2.5 mm crochet hook po yung gagamitin natin. So, start na po tayo. Slip na po tayo dito. And then, ayan. Slip na po tayo. And then, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then yarn over, and then on the first chain, dyan pa tayo, and then 2 double crochet together. Yan. So let's see, just only 2 loops, and then pull through the loops, and then chain 1, 2, and then yarn over, and then on the same stitch we need to make 3 double crochet together. 2 yarn over, 2 loops, use only on the 2 loops, and then yarn over again, and then on the same stitch and then pull all through the loops. Ayan. And then chain 1, and then turn po natin to the left side. Diyan po tayo pupunta sa my space. So ayan, slip stitch po tayo dito sa space yun siya, guys. And then chain again, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 double crochet together. Only 2 loops, and then 1 more, and then pull on through the loops, and then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet together. Ayan. 1, 2, and then 1 more. So we need to repeat that, guys. Yan lang po yung ating stitch na gagawin. And then chain 1, and then turn to the left side again, and then on the space need to slip stitch, and again. O, diba? Diyan lang siya, ka-easy. So gawin natin yan ng mahaba para depende sa inyo kung gaano kahaba yung gagawin yung headband.